Tianjin Coorig Technology Company Limited, established in 2004, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of U-shape Auto Duct Line 5, CNC plasma cutting machine, TDF flange machine, Pittsburgh lock machine, spiral duct machine. We are located in Tianjin with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including CNC milling machine, drilling machine, and lathe. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 and CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Russia, Australia, India, Brazil, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Value-creating services, technology leading the trend, professional achieve the future. We are looking forward to establishing a long-term business relationship with overseas in the near future based on mutual benefits. If you are interested in our products or our company, please feel free to contact us for more details.